Hey guys, just a quick disclaimer about what I have done just a little while ago, maybe yesterday. I have made a Discord server and I will link it in the description, but for now, let's kill this noob. Owned! / hashtag owned in the comments, please. Type in hashtag owned in the comments. For the murder of this noob, type hashtag owned in the comments. Hey, no copying my username. Waterman? That's like copying Watermelon Man. So, frick you. This video isn't gonna be very long. I'm not doing very much of it. Sorry, I have a runny nose today. I am really glad that I get to do videos, even though I haven't been doing many. But making videos for you guys is really what I like to do. Ever since I was really young, I really wanted to make videos. Deep. Wrecked. Okay, where the frick is Sheldon? Why is he never here? Like, Shelby's always here, see? Shelby's always here, and Shelby always has stuff in it. But Sheldon, he's just there. He's never here. Everybody just minds him. I don't get it. So, I'm just gonna stop the video here. And please join my Discord server. Goodbye.